Google Photos keeps every photo you have ever taken on someone else's servers. It scans them and it can lock you out. Immich is a self-hosted photo and video library. The same experience running on hardware you own. Open source with over 100,000 stars. Immich is a polished photo cloud on the web and on your phone. The mobile app backs up your camera roll automatically the moment you open it. It is multi-user, so the whole household backs up to one server. A real Google Photos replacement, not a toy gallery. Standing it up takes 3 commands. Grab the compose file and the example environment from the latest release, set where your photos will be stored, and start it with Docker Compose up. Then open the web app in your browser, register the admin account, and your photo cloud is running. Point the app at your server and turn on backup. Your camera roll uploads to your own hardware automatically. Add your partner, share albums with family, and everyone's photos sit safely in one place. Here's the part that feels like magic. A machine learning container gives you smart search. Find any photo just by describing what is in it. It groups faces into people too, and all of it runs on your own hardware. Nothing ever leaves your server. And it is a full library, raw and motion photos, a map of everywhere you have been, memories from years ago, external folders, and hardware accelerated video. Everything you expect, all yours. So that is Immich, your own private photo cloud with smart search and face recognition that never leave your hardware. Open source AGPL over 100,000 stars. Keep a backup of your originals and start it on GitHub.